Import data from Excel file to SPSS. Sometimes we have data in Excel sheet and want to import data from Excel to SPSS. So how can do that? Here we have an Excel file, this one, containing 20 students' exam scores. Now we intend to import this Excel data to SPSS. For this we need to open SPSS file, this one. So click File, Import Data, Excel, and you will locate your file exam scores from Looken, Open. Click the button OK. Now you see your data has been transferred from Excel file to SPSS. Now you will click the variable view. You will rename this exam score. And you will click data view. Now this shows exam scores have been transferred from Excel file to SPSS file. So this is the way to import data from Excel file to SPSS. Now go along with PowerPoint. So this is the SPSS file. So this one you will click File, Import Data, and Excel, and here exam, and locate the file, and next step you will click OK, and in this way you transfer data from Excel to SPSS. I hope this video would be helpful in transferring or importing data from Excel file to SPSS file. Thank you for watching the video.